In this training video, we'll be going over your Excel spreadsheet format. This is very, very important for those of you that will be using Excel to import your pricing that you've made up, your line items and your pricing. You must have it in this format. So what I'm talking about is you've got a block or column A where you have all your line item descriptions and your header. And you've got B, your unit of measurement, and C, regular price, and D, after hours price. Very, very important though that your headers are in capitals and that your unit of measurement, regular hours, and after hours price is bold. Okay, these will be bold, these will be in capitals, okay? So that's very, very important for the format to work and to import it into our program. Very important. Also, if you notice, so these are all in caps, your headers in Excel. And then miscellaneous, which is at the bottom of our estimate or invoice, that's where you put all your miscellaneous line items. So that's very, very important that you have that in caps. So Excel knows to separate that and our program knows to separate it. So there's miscellaneous in capital letters, and then you would leave it blank right in the area for unit of measurement and the two different prices, regular business hours and after hours. That stays blank. Okay, that's how the program will know how to separate everything. Okay, and then you can see labor is in capital letters because that's the beginning of your labor type line items, such as shift supervisor, for example. So when you put it in capitals, that's when you have a header. Okay, and you also can put a space just above miscellaneous if you wanted to. You certainly could do that if you like the looks of it better. You could do that. Okay, so that's how formatting works. Again, you want 4 different columns, and then you want capital letters for all your header titles, such as appliances. And then unit of measurement, regular hours price, and after hours price is going to be just in bold. And you certainly could copy paste unit of measurement, regular hours price, and after hours price, so you don't mess up. You can just copy and paste it as you're creating this list on down. You can do that. So that's what's so important about Excel is the format that you make your list, your line items list, your pricing list in that format. A, B, C, D, 4 different columns, and then you've got your capital letters and then bold for the other 3. And then it'll work. If you ever have any problems within our program for your Excel list, that's due to the problem of it not being properly inputted within the Excel. Okay, so the capital letters and the 4 different columns is what's so important. Any problems that'll occur, I'll say it one more time, is that it's because it wasn't formatted properly within Excel. And that's how this works. To your success, and thank you for watching.